We moved into this house about a year and a half ago, and the porch had some stone on the front, but it didn't have anything on the sides, which was kind of an eyesore. So I saw a YouTube video on GenStone and decided I would give it a try. And as you can see, well, you didn't see how it looked before, but take my word for it, it's very much improved over what it was before. The GenStone is just incredibly easy to install. Just follow the video on YouTube, and then you can call if you have any questions about it. But quite honestly, it's really beautiful. Took a lot of cuts on it to make this work, but it was all worth it because it's really, really much improved than what it was before. So if you're looking for something that's economical, easy to install, I think you ought to look at GenStone. It's really good stuff. Appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.